You might not know it, but technology is often used in the service of business before word of it gets out to the general public. In fact, the world's first air conditioner was designed to make commercial printing more efficient. It wasn't until years later that regular old people began to use it. Today, that same pattern is carried on in cyberspace, with some of the latest and greatest ideas turning up first in the business world.
A few years back, it was often possible for a network manager to be familiar with each and every desktop and server in their company. But in our high-tech world, a few years in the past might as well be a lifetime ago. Today, new systems are being added networks at a breakneck pace. New hardware, software, and even heterogeneous operating systems have combined with increased network traffic to make even the smallest computer system difficult to manage. And as these networks grow and get more complicated, it becomes increasingly difficult to track, monitor, and control each and every PC and server. With regard to the bottom line, this equals an increase in the amount of time and money spent managing computer resources. It also means more network downtime and less employee productivity. According to the experts, the solution lies in an approach called systems management.
Systems management is the capability to monitor, diagnose, configure, and repair PCs, laptops, and servers across the wire in a WAN or LAN environment. Systems management is important to corporations because it improves end-user productivity. When end users are able to get their machines properly configured the first time, or be able to get problems resolved in a timely way, they're able to be more productive. Also, it helps IT departments to be able to support more PCs and more users with their current budgets by being able to do management across the network instead of having to visit end users' desktops.
Systems management covers everything from solving the typical problems that crop up on desktop, server, and laptop computers to remote deploying and upgrading software to keeping the whole network online and operational. Computing giant Intel offers a suite of tools that help IT managers get control of the situation. Intel LAN Desk Management Suite can be used to identify hardware and software assets, and IT can query on information such as processor, memory, OS version, etc. to perform software distribution to a specific group of desktops or servers. Sources within the company claim that this suite should be helpful to IT managers in several different ways.
IT managers that use LAN Desk generally use LAN Desk to do a couple of things for them. They use it to resolve problems more quickly. They use it to deploy software applications. They use it to gather and to understand the inventory information or the system level information about the PCs and servers in their environment.
Intel LAN Desk Management Suite is especially useful in its ability to automatically fix broken applications on a PC. If a given piece of software is missing, the system either reinstalls or downloads only the needed files or component from the internet. By using this technique, known as self-healing, IT managers can avoid the often tedious task of manually reinstalling files. And while some desktop management products may offer self-healing functionality, Intel LAN Desk Management Suite is unusual in that it can even self-heal applications that were installed previous to LAN Desk. In the end, LAN Desk has the potential to save massive amounts of time and money. Maintenance and repair issues that once required personal visits or even travel can now be done remotely. These days, with mergers and acquisitions dictating different computer environments, companies demand flexible desktop management systems. The Intel LAN Desk Management Suite supports a wide variety of databases, network, and operating systems simultaneously. And since the product is web-based, it's accessible anytime from anywhere. According to industry sources, one of the best ways to determine if you need systems management tools like the Intel LAN Desk Management Suite is by examining the costs associated with your current network. If you're spending more money in maintenance, service calls, and updating software than you did on the original purchase price of the entire system, then you can most likely benefit from tools like these.
Often, IT people will find themselves spending a great deal of their time addressing issues as they occur, being very reactionary. By using the right tools such as LAN Desk Management Suite, you're able to identify problems before they become catastrophic, before they physically shut down a system.
Our company's bottom line is affected by using LDMS. It allowed to reduce the frequency of our visits in the field and also made our staff more productive at what they do. This allowed us to provide support to our Star Alliance partner and also to seek and pursue third-party business.
Intel Land Management Suite has also gained popularity thanks to its ability to provide up-to-the-minute serve health statistics. By reviewing this information, IT managers can, in many cases, anticipate problems before they actually happen, avoiding serve downtime. This value cannot be overstated, since it's almost always cheaper to solve a problem before it becomes a problem. In today's highly technical and highly networked world, keeping your system up and running is a big challenge. But with the right tools and techniques, it's now becoming possible to manage every desktop or server on a network from virtually any place on the planet. Reporting for .com, I'm Corey James.